I believe I can be heard. Thank you for joining me on this live stream. We are here to talk about the crypto market, and I'm also going to be publicizing our upcoming crypto trading challenge. Okay, so I'm just going to wait a couple more seconds for people to join, and then I begin my monologue. So, thank you for joining. My name is Danny Legend, running this crypto channel, Undervalued Crypto, where we spot cryptocurrencies that have low price or are low priced and then get in very early before other investors get on board. So today we're going to review a couple of coins that we've already called on our page and then look at other potential ones. And also, like I said, we'll do an introduction of our coming competition, which we're going to start tomorrow. I'll be sending out flyers and any instructions on how to participate. If you want to join the $10 to $100 challenge, we will be doing on our community page. Thank you so much. So I see Rosemary. Greetings to you. And where are you watching from? Where are you watching from, Rosemary? Wisdom says, hey, let me know your country. Let me know where you are watching from. I think we have a global audience. All Football says hi. Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you. And also, let's keep the likes up. Thank you very much. From Ghana, Wisdom from Canada, and Rosemary. Maybe I could take a wild guess. Miller says, I tried to join your WhatsApp group, but it's not letting me in. Did you try to join from the link on the YouTube video, or you tried to use the link on TikTok? Because I realized the one on TikTok gives problems when you try to join, but the one here should be easy. Okay, so WhatsApp link, I would put it under this video when the live stream ends. Okay, so let me see if I can even put it under. Let me see if I can do that right now. Yeah, so you guys can join. Rosemary says, I'm watching from Scotland. Oh, nice. Unfortunately, I can't buy CWT. You can buy it in Trust Wallet or MetaMask if you have some Ethereum in your MetaMask. Yeah, you can buy it. You don't need to sign up on CWT. Yeah, sometimes you can even use a VPN. You can get there are VPNs on Play Store and App Store that are free, and then you use it to change your country location and then buy the coin, because I know it has restrictions in the US. It has restrictions in, I think, UK too. Yeah. Yeah. So that is the only way I know you can easily buy the coin. Okay. All right. Thank you for joining. Let's keep the likes up. I'm gonna open Coin Market Cap. So today I was able to join the Coin W live stream that was held on X, and they were talking about how the price had pumped, and they were giving us, good price points where we can sell. And I realized that the crypto RSI, in trading, we call something RSI, which is the relative strength index, which simply means what is the strength of the sells and the buys on the market. If there are a lot of buys on the market, it means the prices are booming and it's advisable for you to join. And then if that is overbought, right? And if it's oversold, it simply means a lot of people are selling on the market. So you also have to sell, else you run at a loss. That is, if you want to be withdrawing like short-term profits, then you have to sell quickly so that you don't make a loss. And typically the RSI ranges from 0 to 100, and we are currently below average, which is 42, which means there's a lot of sales on the market. We are in the oversold zone, so we have to be careful. A lot of people are selling now. Even the CWT price has dropped from 1.38. I think that was the max, and it's currently at 1.1, if I'm not wrong. The CWT it's gone up 1.18 now. 1.18. I wanted it to fall so I can buy more, but anyway. Yeah, I wanted this to fall so I can buy more. It went to 1.01. Okay, that was a good price point to buy. All right. So thanks for joining. Yeah, so for WhatsApp, I was gonna put the link here. Let me try and put the link down below. Um, Today we wouldn't have so much time on our hands to talk for long. Probably do like 30 minutes, but it should be worth your while. Okay, 30 minutes should be worth your while. Okay, I'm trying to get the link and then put it right under this video so we can always. Okay, where's the link? Where's the link? Trying to get the channel link. Trying to get the channel link. Okay. Rosemary said, "Thanks. I'll try. Yeah, I'll try those. So you can get it on MetaMask or any Ethereum, any wallet that has Ethereum chain. You can buy CWT on there. So that should be easy for you to execute. Okay. One moment. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the link. Okay. You know what? Let me just send the group link with this phone. So I put it right under. Okay. Undervalued crypto. This is the link, and then I send it here. You can find the link when you need it. Yeah. Okay. All football says, "I bought a lot of WikiCat because of you. I trust your vision. I hope I won't be disappointed." Yeah, we are all holding. Yeah, we are holding to the top. So, yeah, let's keep holding. Yeah. But always remember that in crypto, you don't want to put in an amount you cannot afford to lose. That is the general investment counsel out there. So be sure that in investing, you don't invest your life savings, right? It's something that you can still afford to lose. Mela says, "I'm watching from USA, Texas." Thank you so much for joining. Uh, we are on the same time zone. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for joining. All right. I'm going to zoom into the market. I just want to put the link right under the live video. Okay. Okay. So that right after you can still access it. So WhatsApp channel undervalued good. I think WhatsApp now has they have a search feature where you can actually search and find channels. Okay, so I put this here. Okay. All right. So coin market cap, let's open up. And then I'm gonna open my DEX screener because that is where I pick the new coins that are coming up. Okay. All right. So go. All right. So this CW. Let me just use my normal voice. Unfortunately, I left my other laptop that doesn't have the cracked screen. I left that at work, so we have to manage with this. I'm gonna come live tomorrow, and then we'll talk about we'll start doing a $10 to $100 challenge. So make sure you are getting $10 or $12 in your wallets ready. Get it ready for the challenge tomorrow. Okay. All right. So CW token is simply a native token of a crypto exchange. And one thing you want to know or want to note down in crypto is that native tokens do well over the long term. For example, when you pick BNB, BNB used to be very low. And recently I was even going to talk about all these native tokens until one of the group members called this coin. I was going to bring a list of native tokens that we should start looking at. And I have a couple on my list. MEXC, but MEXC doesn't have a low value. The value is like it's like 2.6. So I don't want to bring MEXC, and I realize that the supply is also a lot. But if you are willing to hold for the very long term, the MEXC token is also good to get. Okay. So CoinW, this is the website. I don't know if it's going to open because it's not supposed to be accessible to people in the US. So maybe, I don't know. Okay. Do you see that? Restricted, right? But I can just maybe do an X like this and look at the charts. But I can't trade because it's restricted. So US restriction. Okay. All right. So we see the price went as high as 1.37. Then it came down. Oh, when was this? 15. Oh, then it didn't hit my buy limits. Shoot. 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 I set a buy limit at 8.5 and I didn't even hit it. Oh, man. Man. I should have made it like 90 cents. But anyway, it's going to come back down because from here, it's going to come back down. And I think so because if I take my parallel channel 2 and I make this quick analysis, you can see right here, we have this, okay? And then we have this. This is the first parallel zone, and then we have this. So this one, the darker area, is an intersection of the resistance and the support, and also the diagonal resistance here and the diagonal support. Okay, because it's coming from here. Okay, so it's going to make it down because definitely, like I always say, people are going to cash out. We are not all going to hold till the end. It doesn't happen that way. Eventually, people that came in very early will cash out from here. Okay, so remember that CWT will fall a little bit from here. Yes, it will go up, but it will still fall a little bit. So if you want to buy this one, let's say you want to sell off and buy again, you can do that. But always have the mindset that you're holding for the long term so that if you miss out on any quick profits, you are not bothered. Okay. All Football, I'm going to check that. Roremhe says, hello. All Football says, please check the LS token and RT token. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that before I log off today. Just have a couple more minutes and then we'll be done. Today, I wouldn't stay for long because I have a lot of things to do. Man, so what I did was I sold a portion of my bag around $1, hoping that it will fall to 85 and then I make a purchase. But the thing didn't even touch. See, 85.084. It didn't even touch it. So I doubt my sell triggered. This is very, very painful. I should have made it maybe like 90 cents. But you never know, you know? You never know. I'm just hoping it comes down. All right. Sorry if you bought here, but I just hope it comes down. All right. So 1.2, what's the price now? 1.22. It's yet to update here. Okay. Let's see the tokens that are trending. Yesterday, Purple Pepe was really trending. I don't know how many of you got into Purple Pepe. It was really trending, but I don't know what happened. It's gone off the trending charts. And maybe you could find a new one that is like doing well, you know. Maybe you could find a new one doing well. So let's see. Cat with Max, Cat with Max, Google, 6 million market cap, 40K trading volume, not too much. Let's see what Google has. Probably one of those meme coins. Oh, it's really falling. Google. Someone is still bullish on it. So anyway, these are the OGs. They get in very early and they are bullish at every moment. While it's been falling since, when was it listed? Last month. It's been falling since 26th August. Okay, so I don't know. We will have to check their value proposition to see what they have to offer. Maybe it might be just another random meme coin. Run with Google, born in a pool, forged by loss. Forged by loss. Sustained by emotion, he runs. We Google. 82 days running. Okay. Okay. 11,000 holders. So it's what? Run. Okay, so it's a runner, more like a runner thing. Quite a young community. 5,000 on X, 635. Yeah, one of those meme coins. You never know. We need to check the activeness of the community, and maybe we could use that to predict that this thing will bounce back up. But if not, it's just gonna die down. Unstable to this has always been on my chat. I think for the past few hours, it's been on my chat like consistently. I need to see what's going on, and it's been green. Unstable too. Recently, we're having a lot of stable and unstable coins launching out. Interesting. Yeah, another meme coin. Are they burning any tokens? 1 billion supply, LP burn, zero tax. Zero tax is not bad. Chaos Club hit the streets, Solana. So this on the Solana chain. Okay. Let's see what we have. Let's go back. Wall Street Pepe. ICB Network. Which one is this? ICB Network. ICB Network. And the BNB Lion. Oh, this thing has been up by 70%. I saw a lot of people hyping this coin on the Telegram, the WhatsApp page, BNB Lion. Now, if you haven't joined our Telegram, search for Undervalued Crypto. Hello Well says, what about Luna Classic? Amila says, where are you located? Oh, I'm in the Midwest. Okay, so ICB Network, Midwest, North ND. I'm in ND. Mexi. Bitmart. Okay, ICB. Let's see, how old is this coin? From last year, they were listed last year in October. So this is probably like just a year old. ICB Network. Let's see what they have to offer. Checking the website. Okay. Powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Exchange collaboration, Mexi. Okay. Okay. Average block time. Average block time is 4.9. Okay. Market cap 61. Build 4. So this is more like a chain. It's an upcoming network. You see, the networks are we have an influx of many networks. You see, and sometimes it makes it difficult to really tell which ones are going to do well. And there are a lot of them that don't even have like projects launching on them. So it makes it like it doesn't really push the coin, because we need to have an influx of projects that are launching on these new networks. And if you don't have them coming in to list on their new networks, then the network doesn't do well. So that's my problem with the whole network thing. Everyone is creating their own network, but only few survive. Okay, so which ones are the best ones we can invest in today and make money? That's the question. That's the challenge, actually. So how you can buy it is you can use your, okay, this is a private sale. Is built on top of current edge. All right. Anyway, let's see where we can get this coin. What network is it on? I'm not seeing any network here. Okay, so this is icbscan.io. It has its own scan website, which is this, where you can see the transaction details, how many holders, and all that. Okay. Oh, okay. So you need to add the ICB network on MetaMask before you can probably make a purchase. Okay. I need to know their plans. Like, this can be a good network to buy very early at 3 zeros and a 3, but we need to see what they are planning. What is the goal behind this? It was launched just last year. 100 billion supply, 350k trading volume in 24 hours. Very cheap price. Well, it could do well. But there's still more research to do on this. Let's check their X handle. What do they have to offer on X? This could be one of those hidden gems we are finding today. It could be ICB network. Layer 1 POS, blockchain ensuring, fusion, okay, blah, blah, blah. 37k followers. They are joining metaverse, cross-chain, turning ideas to reality. Okay. Uh, what's it saying here? Trending. Oh, it's trending in the 8th position. Okay. Well, I think that if you have like some money to spare and you believe or you just have some gut feeling that this ICB network is going to be big, you can put in some $100 if you want. Yeah, all the same, it's not financial advice. Yeah, but I mean, looking at the metrics here, 19 billion is circulating in supply, 0.3330, 333 right, which is 3 zeros and a 3 as price. Okay, let's see. If I put in $100, how much or how many coins am I going to get? 1, 2, 3. If I put in $100, I would get 333 coins. Okay, so let's say it gets to 3 cents, right? That will be about $1,000, 10K, right? So 100 to 10K when it clears 2 zeros. Let's see. You know, there are so many attractive and tempting projects that are always like launching out. And if you don't take care, you might borrow money to buy some of these coins because every coin looks like it has potential. Yeah, this one looks good. I mean, by visual inspection. They will be having a meeting in Switzerland, Zurich. Let's see. Partnership announcements. They have partnership with Hio, the Web3 music platform. Big news joining forces with Hio, which is 82K followers. AI powered music platform at the front of Web3. Okay, you know what? Maybe this coin, maybe you might want to put in some coins, right? Just for the future. Okay, maybe if you are skeptical, maybe $10, 20, 30 is fine. Okay. Yeah. It looks cute. It looks like they have plans. If it becomes a big thing, we don't miss out, right? If it dies down, we don't lose too much because we don't put in an amount that we cannot afford to lose. So they have current listings on Mexi, Bitmart. Okay. So if you don't want to use the ICB network, you can buy on Mexi, Bitmart, Lbank, XT.com, TapBit, CoinBX, Big One, Famex, Tap, Buy Economy, and all that. Okay, so that's cool. Like I said, it's relatively new. So they only have like 2K people watching the coin. You can see right here. So I'll also be watching the coin. I put it on my watch list. Let me choose it as bullish. Okay. Yeah, and the highest price is 0.3 and an 8. 0.3 zeros and an 8. And the lowest is 0.3 zeros and a 2. Yeah, so 4x from here, right? 4x from here to the all-time high. Okay. All right. I'm going to go to Dex Screener. Let's see this. Thomas said, good evening. Yes. Salute. Hi, Bandaro. Yeah, Mela says, I feel in my spirit you're earnest about what you're doing and this is going to bring lots of people. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, guys, let's like the stream. It also encourages me to stay on for a long time, you know. Okay. So I posted this. I'm also on CoinMarketCap, right? This is my profile on CoinMarketCap where I comment on coins. I go there, pass my comments, also share the things I do. Okay. Quickly, let's take a look at Dex Screener. The other guy was giving us some coins to look at. He says RT token, RT token, RT token, right? Okay. Is it really new? Is this coin really new? RT token. The liquidity is not locked. I wouldn't advise you staying for long. Yes, some people have integrity. Some people are not going to rag you, but to be on the safe side, it's always good to only invest in coins that have locked their liquidity. And how do we know? We check liquidity. If you see no padlock icon right by it here, it means the liquidity hasn't been locked. It's still open. So be careful. Market cap looks good. This is questionable. Why are there only 2 buyers within 24 hours? It means that the token is dying, you know. Within 24 hours, there have been only 2 buyers and 9 sellers. I wouldn't advise you stay in this for long, except they have some solid marketing strategy. Okay, there are only 11 makers in the market. That means 11 unique wallets have made a purchase in the last 24 hours. This is not a good sign of a coin that should do well. Okay, so that is my opinion on RT token. And then you mentioned another token, Ella's token. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. I do well to, come here on live almost every 1 or 2 days. Okay, so that is, I think that is Elastic Finance. Am I right? Elas token. Also, liquidity open is not locked. Market cap looks good. Like the balance between liquidity and market cap is fine, but the makers and buyers and sellers are very few. This coin is also dying. And when you look at the chart, you can see it's dying, right? It's found some support here, which might still, bounce back. But if you entered anywhere here, I feel that you should take profit once it moves up a bit. Okay. All right. Now, besides these things, you could also look at the marketing plans they have for the future. Okay. Hope that makes sense. All right. We open this, so let's close this one. And then let's see if we have any other new coins that are launching out tonight. BSC chain. This was launched 2 months ago. We want fresh ones. Fresh coins that are launching out where we can make some quick dough. Sabakan. Okay, new pairs. Let's check the new pairs. Okay, most of them have fewer makers in the market. Meet 48 token, 67 makers. The volume is less than $200, which is not good. That's not a good sign. Which other ones do we have? Decipol protocol. There's a vast difference between the liquidity and market cap, you see. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's a good sign for us. Airbnb, interesting. Launched 3 hours ago, made 1,000%. Let's see if they have locked liquidity. If they have locked liquidity and the market is, oh no, they don't have it. Someone started an Airbnb coin. Liquidity is open. There could be rag pull at any time. I wouldn't advise this. So I'll go back. Let me close these tabs. Man, I'm really pained CW is not falling because I really wanted to enter at a lower price. But anyway. All right. So I'm pressed for time. We had little time today. So I would find a better occasion for us to look at all these coins. I think Solana is on fire compared to BSC. So maybe when we start our challenge, our $10 to $100 challenge tomorrow, we will start looking at some of these coins. Okay, it says RT. This is not an RT coin or token. Can I take a pic of it and show it to you? Yeah, I mean, you can do that on the WhatsApp page. RT coin. So I'll check on RT coin. RT coin. Maybe you should let me know which one it is. RT coin. Which one is it? Is it the definitely not carrot? Let me take out the name coin and see if this pops up. RT. Is it artifacts? Is it artifacts? I'm waiting on your reply. It's probably this one. Okay, he says yeah. Oh, okay, there was a pump here. There was a pump. Liquidity is also not locked. 78K. This liquidity has really been drained. Comparing it to the market cap size, liquidity is not locked. 51, 53, 80 makers in the last 24 hours. This liquidity hasn't been locked, so you want to be careful. But it made a good pump. You see, it made a good pump here. Made a very good pump. All right, so we wouldn't be able to talk much today because I barely had time coming on today, so we wouldn't be able to talk for long. Okay, so this is where I'm going to end today's stream. I'm so sorry it's short. I wish I had more time, but join the Telegram page, Undervalued Crypto. We're having a meme trading competition tomorrow. I would share more information. Get about $12 in your wallet, and then we start. You fill a Google form if you want to join, so I know the number of people that are doing this. So you just upload a screenshot of your 12 USDT you are having. Okay, upload a screenshot of it, just that part, just crop that part, the 12 USDT, put your name and contact, and then you tick that you want to join the $10 to $100 meme trading challenge. And yeah, we start tomorrow. So we end on Friday. We want to do every Friday to Sunday. Meme trading challenge. If you lose your $10, you've lost it, right? You just say that, hey, I lost my money. And that's it. Yeah. And if you made a profit or you were able to raise your money from $10 to $100 trading these coins, we will let you know. Let us know on the community, and then we give you all the shout outs we can. He says what time. So I'm going to communicate everything on the WhatsApp and Telegram group. The name is Undervalued Crypto on Telegram. Type everything together and our group is going to pop up. So we should start anywhere from 12 a.m. GMT, anywhere from 12 a.m. GMT Friday to Sunday 11:59 p.m. GMT. Okay. All right, I want to join the challenge. Yeah, so I'm going to put a form out there, Google form out there, so that you can fill it, and then we start. Okay, so get your $10 or $12. We want you to get $12, $2 for gas fee when you are swapping. Okay, so yes, stay tuned. Austin says stay tuned. So guys, stay tuned. Let's join the challenge 10 to 100 in 3 days. 10 to 100 in 3 days. Then maybe in the future we'll be doing 100 to 1,000 in a week. Okay. All right. You want to buy CWT? Buy it on the Ethereum chain. Copy the link that is on the contract address that is on CoinMarketCap, and then paste that. Import that in your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then swap Ethereum for CWT. Okay. Or you can swap USDT for CWT. All right. Yeah, so we are gonna start a challenge tomorrow, 12 a.m. Friday. We end Sunday evening, 11:59. You are turning $10 to 100. All right. Thank you, Austin. God bless you too. Yeah, he says I will join. $10. Yeah, $10. Yeah. Let's see how we can multiply. And I'll be live, okay, to also spot a couple of coins that I feel that, oh, this coin might do, and I just put my money in. So I'll be streaming as well, as much as I can. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to starting this challenge with you guys. And I believe it will be life-changing. Somebody will be like, hey, I joined with $10 and I didn't know in 1 year my life was going to be changed. So thank you so much for always sticking around. And I'll see you tomorrow on the live stream. Thank you and bye.